Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you've been frustrated trying to save those important documents you receive on WhatsApp from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update to the WhatsApp desktop app, grabbing and saving your docs is now super straightforward. No more digging through endless chats or dealing with clunky workarounds. Today, I'm walking you through the exact steps to do it quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to the newest version for these features to work smoothly. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You'll spot a media icon. It's usually right there among your chats, looking like a little gallery or folder symbol. Give that a click and it opens up all your shared media. Now, in that media view, select the Docs tab. Boom, there they are, all your received documents organized and ready. Scroll or search to find exactly what you need. At the top of the Docs window, hit the sort icon. It's that little arrow or filter button. From this drop-down, pick others. This sorts them in a way that makes bulk selection a breeze, especially for those random files that don't fit neatly elsewhere. Next, tap the select icon up top, looks like a checkbox. Now you can pick individual docs or tap select all if you want a bunch at once. Just click on the ones you need. They're highlighted as you go. With your doc selected, spot the save as icon at the top. It's your ticket out. Click it and a file explorer pops open. Navigate to your preferred folder like documents or desktop, name your files if needed, and hit save. They'll download right there, ready to open or share elsewhere. That's it, docs saved in seconds. This new update makes WhatsApp on PC feel way more powerful for work or personal stuff. If you run into any hiccups, double check you're on the latest version. Give it a try right now and drop a comment if it worked for you. Thanks for watching.